Today, we experienced the Mojave Road Trail as we have never seen it. But how can that be? We've been on this trail well over a half a dozen times. Well, that's because this time, this group over here has promised to take us to a few places that are just off the main trail where I've never been. So that'll be for the first 2 days. Then on the last day, and this is the part you'll all really enjoy, I won't be here. But the group promises to continue filming and show you the Mojave Trail as I have never seen it. Since we are limited on time with this trip, this will be more of a pre-run of what we have planned for the near future. We'll be starting from Highway 95 rather than the Colorado River, and my part of the journey will end at the lava tubes. The rest of the group will continue from there to Afton Canyon. First stop? Well, I have been here before. Fort Piute, one of several outposts built to house military escorts for the U.S. mail route in 1867. However, shortly after completion, the mail route was changed to a more southern route, and the post was abandoned after less than 6 months.
All the way down.
The Mojave tribe developed this route to trade with coastal groups. In the 1860s, the Mojave Road was a major route between California and Arizona territories, and water continues to flow in the Piute Creek just below where we're walking. Imagine traveling this on horse and wagon, and who knows what the road conditions were back then. You may have noticed I'm not flying my drone. Well, one reason is I don't have it. It's being repaired from a little accident we had. I'll post a link to that video in the comments in case you missed it. The other reason is that it's prohibited to fly a drone within the Mojave National Preserve, as it is in all national parks, and permits are not issued. Drone footage has to wait until a couple miles west of Travelers Monument.
It's a shiny one.
I don't remember the penny tree, but it is on the main trail, so either I've simply driven past it or just forgot about it. So we can go ahead and count this one as one of the places along the Mojave Trail I have never seen. There's no great significance other than leaving a penny in the tree or leaving it in the can as a symbol of your journey. Similar to leaving a rock at Travelers Monument, something that you will see on our Day 3 video.
Do we need the can in it?
Yes.
Cody, how you doing, lady? Yeah.
He got stuck in between. Oh, he's right there again.
I gotta make sure he doesn't lift that leg.
You ready? Where are you?
It's hard to see.
Satellite view, that looked pretty comical from up there looking down.
So here's something along the Mojave Trail I've never seen. In fact, I don't even know who once owned it. But if you do, leave the information in the comments.
You guys are days.
He sure has moved out.
Yeah. And did he take his doggy? Yeah, he did.
No, he took his doggy, all right. Are they empty nesters now? The house feels that much bigger now.
Yeah.
So I guess. What do you? Gosh, cute. At least two, yeah.
You wanna have
As we enter into this canyon, I'm thinking we probably should have come up here during Halloween. It's a bit spooky after the recent fires. But then we pull into this awesome camp area. I have definitely never seen this spot that's just a few miles off the Mojave Trail, but I can almost guarantee that I will be back.
Oh, DeWalt. What's the kind of gear you got here now? Got a grill boss. What you making?
Steak and potatoes. A little bit of yucky vegetables.
Get that green shit out of there.
Yeah, I'm camping. I'm on vacation. I don't need to eat vegetables.
Very cool.
That night, we spotted a UFO. No, not a flying saucer with little green men. What does UFO really mean? Unidentified flying object. So what we saw was an object flying across the sky that none of us were able to identify. UFO.
What the heck? That's not an
Jello
airplane.
shot.
That's a plane.
If you know what it was, leave that information in the comments and it will no longer be a UFO.
That is not an airplane. Look at the vapors or whatever that is.
Well, it's just going through the clouds. It's cloudy up there.
It could be a launch. That is not an airplane. First of all, it's going way too fast.
It has a tail, too. I bet it's a launch.
But look at the vapor, right? Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it might be a missile. That's like vapor or something.
Is it going out over the Pacific?
Whoa. That's pretty amazing.
Cody and I slept pretty good that night. But when I stepped out of my Jeep, I thought I heard a bear in our camp. Turned out to be someone in the tent adjacent to me. I won't mention any names, but when he crawled out, he was wearing what looked like Santa jammies. As we leave Halloween Town, as I have named it, I'll ask that you hit that like button, share our channel, and leave a comment. Also, be sure to subscribe so you receive an alert for parts 2 and 3 of this series. Unlike Prime, it won't take us 6 years to release it.
There's the car you saw, Mike.
Say again, Kenny?
The car you saw last night, Mike.
They probably wanted our spot.